Hi there, thanks for clicking and welcome to this tutorial. Today's tutorial is on Excel Backstage view. Before get started, if you have any question, let me know in the comment section below. I'll talk to you there. The Backstage view has been introduced in Excel 2010 and act as the central place for managing your sheet. The Backstage view helps in creating new sheets, save and opening sheet, printing and sharing sheet and so on. To open Excel Backstage view, click File tab. This is Excel Backstage view. Excel Backstage view has two panels, left panel here with green color and right panel here. There are lots of menus. In Excel 2016, there are 15 menus item. The first menu is Home menu, which contains option to create a new Excel file from blank workbook or open recently open Excel file under recent menu or any pinned file from here. You can use one of the many templates as the basis of your new Excel file from here. You can find more templates following more templates link here. Okay. If you click this more templates, it will take to the new menu here. So our next menu is new. From new menu, you can also create a new blank file or pre-defined templates. There is a search box here. You can search related templates online too, or click the category here to find more template related to the click category. If I click list related predefined template will be appeared here. Go to back. The next item is open. Open menu let you open recent workbooks as well as workbooks you saved to your OneDrive or on your computer. You will find 25 more recently used workbook under this workbook menu. You can change it. Just click option menu here, then click advanced, then scroll down to display section. Show this number of recent workbooks. If you change it to 30, we can choose any number between 0 to 50 here. Click OK. Now again file, open. Now you can find 30. You can find 30 most recently used workbooks here. You can also open recently opened folder here or this PC, or you can browse your targeted file from your driver. The next menu is info. Info menu in Excel Backstage view contains different information about the Excel file. Four main options you can see here: protect workbook, inspect workbook, manage workbook, and browser view options. From protect workbook, you can control what type of changes people can make to this workbook. And from inspect workbook, you can check the accessibility and compatibility of the document. Manage workbook, you can recover unsaved workbook from here. Browse view option, you can also set the different properties here. You can add the title, tags, categories. You will find related dates such as when when this file last modified and created, when last printed. You can also find author name and last modified people name under related people. If you click show all properties, Other properties will be shown under properties such as status, categories, and others. Next menu is save. You can use save menu to save an Excel file in the cloud or in your local hard disk. Save option Use save option to save a workbook when it is first created. If this option is clicked after a workbook has been created, the older version of the workbook will be replaced with the newer version. Thus let me save this workbook on my desktop, give a name as Backstage view, save. Our next menu is save as. This option is used to save a previously saved workbooks under a new name or to a new location. Click this PC or browse button to open the save as window. Now give it name to Backstage 1. Now click OK. Next menu is history, which is not active for this workbook. Now let me move on to the print menu. Print menu in Excel Backstage view allows you to arrange your file for printing. You can set margin, scaling, paper size, paper orientation from here. On the right side, you will find a preview of the currently edited spreadsheet, so you can know exactly how it will look like after you print it on paper. Our next menu is share. Share menu in Excel Backstage view allows you to share your file using Microsoft OneDrive or email. You can send the file as attachment or as PDF or XPS or internet fax. Now let's move on to the export menu. Export menu in Excel Backstage view allows you to export a file in PDF or XPS format. You can also change Excel file type for the workbook using this menu. If you want to change workbook's file type, for example an XLS extension, or save the file as PDF, you can do it here. Now I click create PDF and save. Here you can see the PDF format of my Excel file. The next menu is publish. From here you can publish the file to Microsoft Power BI. You need to sign in to do this. Learn more about it by clicking the following link. Go to Power BI here. Close menu in Excel Backstage view allows you to close the current worksheet. And the account menu down here. And the account menu let you help to access your Microsoft account information and modify your theme and background. You can modify your theme. Now I'm using colorful theme. If I change it to dark gray, now my theme is dark gray, white. Okay. You can also change the office background from here. If you hover over the list, you can notice the change on the top right corner. So you can change the background as per your requirements. You can also sign in or sign out from here. You can add a device, a storage device. Also you can change the Microsoft Office product key, update option here, and Excel, and about Excel here. Next option is feedback. If you want to send your opinion to the Microsoft Office development team, then you can send it from here. The last menu is options. If you click these options, then another window will appear. This window is known as Excel options window. From here you can change the default setting of Excel, such as from here you can change the font style, font size, username, and others. So that is the overview of Excel Backstage view. So I hope you have learned something from this tutorial. Subscribe my channel if you have enjoyed this lesson, and thanks for watching. Until next time, take care.